shit just got real, things are getting intense now. I hear you talking about we a lot, or you speak French now. Giving me the sign, so I gotta take a hint now. I hit you up like, do you wanna hang right now? On the east side, and you know I'm with the gang right now.
Welcome back, guys. So today I'm here with BGMGirl here again, same packaging as before. Once I open the box, I see the wig, and then we got a few goodies. So for goodies today, I got this adjustable elastic band, all right, and then I got a drawstring bag, which is branded BGMGirl hair. Love getting drawstring bags. These work out well for me to store the wigs in afterwards. So yeah, I got a BGMGirl hair bonnet. So yeah, I got this card, which is basically just an information card, and then another card with which explains hair care and stuff. I got a pair of HD wig caps and a pair of lashes. Then there's also a BGMGirl hair elastic headband and a edge brush and comb. This is today's gorgeous wig that we're working with. This is actually the short bob kinky curly wear and go wig. It's a 6x4 HD lace closure wig, and it's 108% in density. It's a glueless wig, as I said, and it is perfection. This is how the inside looks. It has absolutely no combs, all right. Then it has a adjustable elastic band with non-slip strips and on that to help with more security. And as you can see right here, we're just going in to adjust it. This is where the power is in, like, this is what keeps it secure on your head. Okay, so this is a very important part of the construction of the wig. Now this is me when I place the wig on. Once I install the wig, super secure. I gave you guys a shake test to let you see that it's not going nowhere. Okay, absolutely nowhere. This is how it looks. I must tell you guys, I didn't have to cut off any of the lace off this. It melted down so nicely right off the bat. I did go in and tap a little powder on it later on, but for the most part it looks really good. Tell me that don't look good. It looks so good. So I went ahead, did a little glam, and then I came back and I proceeded to apply just a little bit of powder to further camouflage just the very edge, because you could see a tad bit of cast, but it really wasn't heavy. So I love that. BGM, y'all did your thing, because this construction is fire. All right, fire. The curly texture, the kinky curly texture, it was so soft, super silky, super soft. Even, you know, sometimes I get the kinky curly texture and sometimes it's a little too dry or it's a little bit coarse. This was very soft. I enjoyed the texture so much, and what I went ahead to doing is just fluffing the hair to show you how it looked like in a very nice big curly state, just in case you don't want to do like a wet look. I mean, it is kinky curly after all. Maybe you want to embrace that vibe. So I did go ahead and fluff it more, kind of just run my fingers through that, play with it, you know, to let you guys see how it looks in that state. And let me tell you, it's so gorgeous. I know a lot of my girlies love a nice voluminous curly bob look, and this is definitely one of them. So I would definitely recommend a wig like this if you're looking for something like that. Again, very beginner friendly because no adhesive is needed, because you know it's a pre-everything glueless wig. It's also a bob. It's perfect for the summertime. It's really hot right now, guys. This hair is the perfect wig for the temperature right now, because it's burning up. And apart from you having to just detangle it every day, I definitely recommend detangling your curly textures every single day, you know, so it's easier to maintain. Apart from that, you don't have to worry about anything else. You're good to go. Like, you go on vacation with this, you're perfect. You don't have to worry about lace lifting, shifting, none of that. It's super secure without any form of adhesive. All right, so what I moved on to doing right here is making the parting a little cleaner and more precise. So I used some powder just to get that a little bit more visible, and I just made that very nice and discreet, and that was pretty much it.
up for 2 whole days thinking what I did to keep you going.
I went into getting the hair wet so I could also show it in a wet state, and I absolutely loved it wet. Basically, this was just for me to redefine the curls. I didn't apply any extra product apart from water to it because I wanted to get back that volume really quickly. But if you want to get like that wet look and keep the wet look for a long time, I recommend adding mousse or conditioner. Mousse really helps. It does have a little stiffness to it, but that's what will really keep that wet look for a long duration.
People change, feelings change too. Never thought the circumstances would have changed too.
The curls look so super healthy. They're super full, as you can see. Once I brushed that through, super nice. So I absolutely love the quality so far.
You said you never traded no, and I believed you when they told me don't. And I can't even let you. Swear these days all you say is come and see me for once. Come and see me for once. You don't ever come to me. You don't ever come to me. All she hit me with is come and see me for once. Come and see me for once. Oh, y'all never come to me. Y'all never come to me. Why you gotta start, girl? Why you gotta start? I know we make time for the things that we want. I know you got another nigga trying to play the part. Just cause he got a heart don't mean he got a heart. Could be standing in the field and he still ain't in the field. If anything should change, then I thought we had a deal. Lately you keep questioning what you get out the deal. Doing things to make me feel the way I make you feel. How hard is it to let you know when I'm coming home? That way you could be prepared, maybe take a couple sick days and not miss pay. I don't even know what things are looking like inside of your place. I was decorated. This thing is getting one-sided, I can't even lie to you right now. Yeah.
This is pretty much it. At the very end of me finessing it, super easy. You guys saw it really wasn't that much to really installing and styling this wig. It is perfect. I love it. As you can see, yeah, I'm saying how much I love it, and it's glueless. You know, I always have to run the comb beneath the tail of the comb beneath the lace so you guys can see that it's real. Yeah, no product. But yeah, that's it for today's wig. If you guys are interested in getting it for yourself, the link is always down below in my description box. Go ahead, check that out. Shout out to BGMGirl once more. That's it for today, and I'll see you guys. Look at that. Look at that. The movement is so gorgeous. But yeah, that's it for today, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. So until then, just go and make up on yourself. Bye.